G'day legends, it's a beautiful day, wishing you well. Let's roll.
I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home, flying high through them clouds, knowing I don't have to ever come down. I'm rolling up the J, just in case today's the day. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home. I believe he put it down here for all of us to use, a little piece of heaven to take away your blues. I know I'm far from perfect, and I'll call a sin a sin, but I feel closer to the Lord every time I breathe it in. Hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home, flying high through them clouds, knowing I don't have to ever come down. I'm rolling up a J, just in case today's the day. Hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home. I can't wait to talk to Moses about the Red Sea and the plague. Bend Jonah's ear and hear about living in a whale 3 whole days. Get old St. Pete to show me the pearly gates and the golden streets. Well, you can bet I'll be good and ready to sit down at the feast. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home, flying high through them clouds, knowing I don't have to ever come down. I'm rolling up a J, just in case today's the day. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home. I bet Bob Marley's mansion has a garden in the back, and he's growing something special, some celestial homemade hash. We'll sit out on his porch, we'll listen to the angel band. Till then I'll sing, I'll fly away with a fat one in my hand. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home, flying high through them clouds, knowing I don't have to ever come down. I'm rolling up a J, just in case today's the day. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home. Yeah, let's roll ourselves a J, just in case today's the day. I hope I'm stoned when Jesus takes me home.
What a beautiful tune, what a lovely song. And while we're on the 420 tunes, let's roll. Big love, mates.
Well, I had an honest job pushing the pen across the paper, making sure the figures added up all right. Then I picked up a nasty habit from a friend who was a waiter. Pretty soon I was smoking reefer almost every night. Next thing I knew, I was unemployed, dirty, lazy, and paranoid. Well, you can grow it up, back it up, break it up, roll it up, and cheap it till your mind turns into stew. Oh, but when you smoke so much of that stuff, and you still can't get enough, well, you got the weed smoker's blues. once I lost my job, I had no way to earn a living. My friend told me I should try my hand at dealing dope. Well, I thought it mighty risky, but ignored all my misgivings, 'cause I couldn't even go a day without a toke. By then I would have done anything to get my hands on that green. You can blow it up, bag it up, break it up, roll it up and cheat it till your mind turns into stew. Oh, but when you smoke so much of that stuff and you still can't get enough, well, you got the weed smoker's blues. Slanging from a hot house, one bag after another. When we got word that we'd been doing our biggest deal so far, that turned out to be the police operating undercover. They took my stash and locked me up behind these awful bars. Now all I do is sit and cry, thought I'd be here till I die. 'Cause you can blow it up, bag it up, break it up, roll it up and cheat it till your mind turns into stew. Oh, but when you smoke so much of that stuff and you still can't get enough, well, you got the weed smoker's blues. That when you puff, 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 and you still can't get enough, you got the weed smoker's blues. Oh, I've had them. You got the weed smoker's blues. Oh.
Alright, alright, alright. One more, eh? Let's roll. Big love, mates. Wishing you well. Wishing y'all a beautiful, peaceful, healing days every day. Share the love, mates.
No, slowly, don't cry. No, slowly, don't cry. It's just a little shower, it won't sting a lot. But oh, slowly, don't cry. It's got a bar of soap in there, but you don't have to care. It might do make you still human. Those slowly, don't cry. Those slowly, don't cry. Yeah. You say you got a trouble and it hurts bad. Why don't you jump in the shower? I think it would help you, and it won't stink a lot, and smell like a dirty moose rat. Yeah, no, Spudley, don't cry. No, Spudley, don't cry. Yeah.
Wishing you well. Cheers, mates. Yeah, I like to jam music. That's what I do. I like coins. I like having a drink and a bong. Big love, mates. Cheers.